So here we have a 4011 Gocator system attached to a GenieScience linear stage. And this is a ultra high resolution confocal sensor. So we're looking at about 1.9 microns in X and about 250 nanometers in Z. Ultimate resolution in Z, much better than any line profiler out there. They are splitting white light through a stack of optics. Whatever wavelength of light is most in focus is how it derives the Z depth, which is how we're able to get such accuracy, especially in Z. These sensors really excel at scanning things like glass or ultra highly reflective materials. They are big in the medical industry ultimately for traceability, ensure quality and ensure that whatever is used on the human body is checked out and checked out well. You can see on these needles that there are three main areas. There is the heel portion of the needle, and then there's the tip of the needle. And we fit 3 planes to each of those portions. And those planes serve as the golden reference, because we're going to search for defects above and below those planes. Well, what are defects on a needle? We're looking at the overall tip quality, how pointy is the tip. We're looking at if there's any burrs or things that are going to drag and tear, when it's inserted or taking out. And we're also looking for any missing material. Ultimately, ensuring the quality on something, especially that's going to go into your body, is very important. All of our sensors ship with GoPxL. They're all-in-one smart sensors. All of the tools are drag and drop. There's no custom programming. You just drag and drop the tools, configure them how you want, and ensure that you meet your inspection criteria. If you're trying to send samples into our office to be scanned and determine if this is a good technology to suit your needs, we definitely can accommodate that.